Why go dairy-free?
The previous user and initial steps might be motivated by lactose intolerance, allergies, or personal preference. Removing dairy can help improve digestion and enjoy flavorful meals all week. No cheese or milk required.
Stocking your dairy-free kitchen.
Essential dairy-free ingredients include plant-based milks, coconut yogurt, olive oil, and a mix of grains, beans, and fresh or frozen vegetables. Stock up on nuts, seeds, and dairy-free cheeses for extra flavor and textures. Read labels carefully, as many processed foods can have hidden dairy ingredients.
Breakfast, energizing starts.
Simple, dairy-free breakfasts set the tone for busy mornings. Try overnight oats made with almond or oat milk, chia pudding topped with fruit, or avocado toast with sprouts. Prepping these in advance means you'll have quick, nourishing options ready each day.
Lunches that travel well.
Packable dairy-free lunches include quinoa salad bowls, grain wraps with hummus, or hearty lentil soups. Use roasted veggies, leafy greens, and legumes for satisfying and filling meals. These keep well in containers, making it simple to grab and go.
Easy dinner recipes.
Dairy-free dinners can be delicious and quick. Stir-fry tofu with mixed vegetables. Serve chili made with beans and tomatoes, or bake sweet potatoes stuffed with black beans and salsa. Prepare double batches for easy reheating and variety during the week.
Snacks and treats.
Dairy-free snacks help keep energy levels steady. Try rice cakes with nut butter, roasted chickpeas, or fruit with coconut yogurt. For a sweet treat, blend frozen bananas for a creamy, simple dessert. Snack prep ensures you'll have healthy options anytime.
Making dairy-free prep easy.
Successful meal prep means planning your menu, making a shopping list, and setting aside 1 or 2 hours each week to cook and portion your meals. Store meals in labeled containers and freeze extras if needed. Soon, a week of healthy, dairy-free eating will feel effortless.